So we found out that there is a Speks subreddit, which is pretty cool. And this shape was posted by user epol31. And it basically takes the principle of a pentagon, which has a ring of 5 speks, or a hexagon, which has a ring of 6 speks, except this one has a ring of 8 speks in the middle. And then you're going to wrap 16 speks around it. And after a lot of finagling and pushing the speks into place, you'll have this octagonal potato chip shape. And what you do with this octagonal potato chip shape is completely up to you. I arranged them into this little star shape and then added 2 hexagons on either side. And yeah, it's a cool shape. What do you think we should do with it? Happy building!